Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. We've already opened Photoshop. Click the Open button. Navigate to the folder on your computer where the image you need is stored and double-click on it to open it. This nice photo of Lacock Abbey obviously needs rotating, and as we're going to print it, we want to ensure it's the right shape or aspect ratio. To rotate the image, go to the Image menu, Image Rotation, and click on 90 degrees counterclockwise. Job done. Notice you can also rotate an image in small increments by using the arbitrary option here on the same menu. Next, we need to crop the image to fit our paper. We're going to print on standard 6x4 inch photo paper. Click the Crop tool on the toolbar on the left of the window. The toolbar running from left to right near the top of the window updates and shows us properties related to the Crop tool. Have a look at the drop-down menu here where it says Ratio. There are common options here such as 16:9, which will fit most modern screens, as well as 5:7 and 4:6, which are common photo printing sizes. We're going to select 4:6. This gives a vertical crop by default. Swap these values by clicking the Swap Height and Width button here. With the ratio for printing correctly set, we can now crop in further using the corner and the side handles, as well as moving the image around within the printable area. When you're happy, click the checkmark icon here or just press Enter on your keyboard. Remember to save the new version of the image. To do this, go to the File menu and click Save As. Give your new image a sensible name so you can find it later on, and click on Save. And there you go.
Pixels.cool.